Long, thick and voluminous hair is a weakness for all of us. But on days when you just can't wait for your mane to look its absolute best, here is the ultimate guide that will turn all your dreams into reality. Type hair in the comments below and we'll send you the best product guide for thick hair. A long ponytail is not only attractive but is also a representation of the hair length. So if you have short to medium length hair and wish to make it look longer without having to wear hair extensions, this quick hack is all you need. Section your hair from the middle into two and clip the top half. Make a neat pony with the remaining hair. The lower, the better. Smoothen the front hair into a ponytail, resting right above the previous one. This illusion is the best way to make your hair look longer and different instantly. Braids are definitely hairstyle heroes that keep your hair away from knots, look supremely quirky, and even help distract from bad hair days. However, if you are someone who has fine and thin hair, braids can make your hair look more compact and flat. A reverse or Dutch braid makes your hair look much thicker. Start at the mid-shaft and go all the way down with a light hand and secure. Now take a toothbrush and brush your hair apart with short strokes. While this helps add thickness and texture, the length between your head and mid-shaft gives the appearance of elongated hair length. If you have scanty hair at the roots, here is the quickest way to add volume. A bump it tool is an easily available and affordable hair tool that is perfect if you want to conceal hair thinning from the front. All you have to do is take a section out at the crown of your hair and toss all of the hair at the back. For a stylish look, make a quick 3-braid strand on both the sides and pin it up at the back. This automatically lifts your hair, giving the appearance of more volume. If you are one whose hair tends to fall flat, a round brush blow dry is what you need since it instantly lifts the hair from its root, giving it volume, bounce, and beautiful waves. Always start with blow drying the front section of the hair inwards with a thick round brush, since that area requires the most volume. Now take a medium-sized brush and hold it 90 degrees from the hair and smoothen your hair down. And now you have beautiful bouncy waves ready. The easiest way to bring in the illusion of volume and thickness is to tease your hair. Get yourself a back combing brush. Use the pointy side to segregate the part you wish to add volume to. Start 1 inch from the roots and then gently comb downwards. Once done, settle the hair down and enjoy the instant lift. Patience is key for healthy hair, but sometimes it's okay to cheat so you can look and feel your absolute best. Until next time, stay tuned and stay glamorous.